In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group PowerPoint slides. Grouping slides in PowerPoint can be a game changer, especially when dealing with larger presentations. It enables you to organize your slides into manageable sections, making it easier to navigate through your deck, rearrange content, and focus your audience's attention exactly where you need it. Whether you are a student, a business professional, or someone looking to polish their presentation skills, mastering the art of grouping slides in PowerPoint will undoubtedly elevate the quality of your presentations. Let's start with the very first step, opening your Microsoft PowerPoint program. For many of you, this is as simple as clicking the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or searching for it in your computer's program list. Once you've launched PowerPoint, you'll find yourself at the opening screen. This is where all the magic begins. Now, proceed to open your file from the opening screen. You can do this by navigating through the list of recent documents, or by clicking on Open Other Presentations to browse your computer for the specific file you need. Once you've found your file, click to open it, and you're ready for the next step. After your presentation is open, take a moment to familiarize or reacquaint yourself with its content. What we're about to do will organize these slides into sections, which will streamline your workflow and make your presentation easier to manage, especially if it's a lengthy one. The next step involves a little precise action. You're going to right-click between slides where you want to begin a new section. This can seem a bit counterintuitive at first. After all, we're used to right-clicking on objects to interact with them directly, not the space between them. However, PowerPoint uses this space as the designated area to add new organizational structures like the sections we're discussing. Upon right-clicking between the slides, a context menu will appear. From this menu, select Add Section. This action essentially draws an invisible line in the sand, indicating the start of a new section within your presentation. At this point, you're not just organizing your slides, you're structuring your narrative, making it clearer for both you during the presentation creation and your audience during the presentation delivery. Immediately after you select Add Section, you'll be prompted to give your new section a name. This is where you can get creative or strategic depending on the content of your presentation. Type a name in the section name box that accurately describes the grouping of slides you are creating. This could be anything from introduction or Q1 sales figures to client testimonials or conclusion. Choose a name that will make it easy for you to navigate and understand the flow of your presentation at a glance. Finally, after typing in your desired section name, hit Rename to solidify your choice, and just like that, you've successfully created a section within your PowerPoint presentation. You can repeat this process as many times as needed throughout your presentation to create multiple sections, allowing you to organize your slides in the most effective way possible. Let's recap the steps real quick. Open PowerPoint, open your file, right-click between the slides to add a section, name your section, and then select Rename. It's a process that becomes second nature with a little practice. Now that you understand how to group your PowerPoint slides into sections, you're well on your way to creating more organized, navigable, and professional presentations. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just the content you provide, but also how you present it. By grouping your slides into sections, you're ensuring that your presentation flows logically, making it easier for your audience to follow along and remain engaged. Use this feature to tailor your presentations to fit your narrative structure, mark transitions between topics, and make your presentations a breeze to edit and reorder as needed. Congratulations on adding this new skill to your PowerPoint toolbox. Happy presenting!